Hello sunshines, and for today's video we're going to unbox this Madison Park 7-piece comforter set. This is perfect for back to school and refreshing your bedroom. So it consists of 2 pillowcases and this new comforter. The size of this comforter, guys, is king size, and my son still choose to sleep with us, so this is perfect for the 3 of us in this king bed. I can say that this comforter is very high quality, and I really like the design or the pattern of it. It also has 2 shams of quilt or pillowcase and this very cute decorative pillow. And the last piece of this set is this quilt that I just put over the comforter. And this is how our bed looks like. It's very comfortable, very inviting, and I cannot wait to lay down and feel the softness of this set. So I'll give you guys a little tour on our new comforter set from Madison Park. If you guys are interested in buying one, you should check the link on my bio and let me know in the comment section if what type of bedroom do you guys like. So after this, I invited my son to go inside and take a look of our new comforter set. And voila! He really likes it. So thank you so much for Madison Park for sending us this comforter set. We love it so much and we can't wait to try other of your products. Thank you guys for watching and see you on our next vlog. Bye!